Which portable air conditioner for your car is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that could keep you cool during those scorching summer drives. Product number 1, Tri-Pole Car Fan. First up is the Tri-Pole Car Fan. This little gadget caught my eye at just $11.98, and honestly, if you want a quick and affordable cooling solution for your car, this is worth a serious look. The Tri-Pole Car Fan boasts a powerful brushless motor, hitting up to 3,800 RPM. That means it can really push air around, which is a lifesaver when your car's AC isn't cutting it. At just 30 dB, it runs quietly so you won't hear it over your music or conversations. Plus, it's USB powered, making it easy to use with a car charger or power bank. You can clip it onto your vents, and it even rotates 360 degrees to direct airflow exactly where you need it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're on a road trip with family or pets, keeping everyone comfortable is key. Plus, with over 1,500 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it seems like plenty of people agree this fan is a worthwhile investment. Now, some people complained about it not providing cold air like an AC would. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to replace your car's air conditioning. It's there to boost airflow when the AC falls short. So if your AC is completely dead, this might not be the miracle you're looking for. This is perfect for you if you want an economical way to improve air circulation in your car. Skip this one if you need a full-on air conditioning unit. Overall, for under $12, it's a solid deal. Now, if the Tri-Pole's limitations bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HUMHOLD 16,000 BTU Portable AC. Next is the HUMHOLD 16,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Priced at $529.99, it's on the higher end, but if you want something that can cool a larger space, this is worth considering. This unit features inverter technology, which saves about 40% on energy costs compared to traditional units. That's great if you park your car in a garage and want to cool it down quickly. The dual hose design helps it cool faster and minimizes hot air seepage, while the quiet sleep mode operates at just 42 dB, ensuring you can catch some Z's without disturbance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your car is parked in direct sunlight or you spend a lot of time in larger vehicles, this portable AC can make a dramatic difference. It's equipped with a remote control and even has a dehumidifier function, so it's versatile for more than just cooling. With a 4.3-star rating from 750 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. Now, some users mentioned it's bulky and not the easiest to move around. But here's the thing, if you need serious cooling power for larger spaces, that added size is a trade-off you might be willing to make. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive in larger vehicles or need something that works hard in extreme heat. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and easy to transport. For a powerful unit, the value is solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for specific needs. Product number 3, SOLEEY Mini Portable AC. The third product is the SOLEEY Mini Portable Air Conditioner, retailing at $50.39. If you're looking for a compact solution that can easily fit in your car, this is worth a serious look. This little unit has a dual ultrasonic nebulizer and can cool air down to a refreshing 75 degrees F. It features 4 wind speeds and a timer for up to 6 hours, which is nice if you want to set it up while you run errands. The 1100 ml water tank offers continuous cooling for up to 10 hours, making it easier to stay comfortable on long drives. Plus, it operates quietly at just 50 dB, so it won't disrupt your road trip vibes. Here's why this matters for you. If you're out camping or spending time outdoors, this portable AC provides a refreshing breeze wherever you are. It's lightweight and easy to use, and with a 4.5-star rating from 91 reviews, many users seem satisfied with its performance. Now, some users reported that the cooling effect isn't as strong in humid conditions. But honestly, for a mini unit, it's really meant to enhance your personal space rather than cool down a whole vehicle. This is perfect for you if you need something light and portable for outdoor activities. Skip this one if you expect it to cool an entire room. For its price, it offers solid value. Now, if you're looking for something that emphasizes personal cooling, check this next option. Product number 4, Evapolar Eva Chill Gray. Coming in fourth is the Evapolar Eva Chill Portable Air Conditioner in gray, priced at $88.99. This one is great for personal cooling in smaller spaces like your car or a desk. Using evaporative technology, it cools and humidifies the air while also filtering large dust particles. It operates quietly and only consumes 10 watts, which is energy efficient. This unit is designed to cool your immediate area rather than an entire room, making it perfect for personal use. With a handy handle and easy-to-use button controls, you can easily adjust it to fit your needs. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who works in a hot office or drives a lot in the summer, having targeted cooling can make a world of difference. Plus, with a 3.6-star rating from 4,000 reviews, it's had mixed feedback, but many appreciate its portability. Now, some users did mention that it works best in low humidity, which is something to consider if you live in a more humid area. But I'll be real with you, if you're mainly using this for personal space, the humidity should not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight cooling option for close-up use. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can cool an entire room. It's a decent investment for its purpose. Now, if you're looking for another color option with similar features, check out this next product. Product number 5, Evapolar Eva Chill White. Last but not least is the Evapolar Eva Chill Portable Air Conditioner in white, retailing for $79.99. It shares many features with the gray version but comes in a stylish white finish. Like its counterpart, it uses evaporative cooling technology, making it effective in dry conditions. It also consumes a low 7.5 watts of energy, so it's cost-effective to run. With the same design, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take to different locations, whether it's your car, office, or outdoor setup. Why this matters? If you appreciate aesthetics alongside functionality, this white version not only cools but looks good doing it. It's also rated similarly at 3.6 stars from 4,000 reviews, suggesting that while it has its downsides, many users find it satisfactory for personal cooling. Now, some have pointed out that it may not cool as effectively in very humid environments. But honestly, for a portable solution, it's primarily targeted for personal comfort and not designed for large spaces. This is perfect for you if you want a portable cooler that looks good in any setting. Skip this one if you're expecting it to replace a traditional AC unit. Overall, it's a solid choice for its price point. So to wrap it all up, for a budget-friendly fan, the Tri-Pole is a solid pick. The HUMHOLD offers robust cooling for larger spaces. The SOLEDY is great for on-the-go personal cooling. The Evapolar Eva Chill in gray serves well for personal spaces, and the white version adds a stylish touch. It really comes down to your specific needs and space requirements. Whatever you choose, keeping cool on the road is the priority.